Welcome to the channel. The new Mercedes-Benz CLE represents a harmonious blend of luxury, innovation, and dynamic performance. Designed to replace the outgoing E-Class and C-Class coupe models, the CLE delivers a refined driving experience while maintaining the hallmark elegance of the Mercedes-Benz brand. Its larger dimensions compared to its predecessors ensure enhanced cabin space, while its aerodynamic silhouette emphasizes both style and efficiency. The CLE's exterior design is a testament to modern sophistication, featuring a bold front grille adorned with the iconic Mercedes star and flanked by sharp LED headlights with intricate detailing. The sleek roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, complemented by frameless doors and a wide stance that exudes confidence. Alloy wheel designs, ranging from sporty to elegant, further enhance the CLE's customizable aesthetic. With a palette of contemporary colors and available AMG styling packages, the CLE caters to those who value individuality. Beneath the hood, the CLE offers turbocharged 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder engines that deliver a seamless balance of power and efficiency. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, the CLE ensures smooth gear shifts and spirited acceleration. Options like the 4MATIC all-wheel drive provide improved handling, while AMG-tuned variants promise high-performance thrills, solidifying the CLE as a versatile luxury coupe. The interior of the new Mercedes-Benz CLE is a showcase of luxury, cutting-edge technology, and ergonomic design. The cabin features premium materials, including finely crafted leather upholstery, natural wood accents, and metal trims, all arranged to create a sophisticated atmosphere. A spacious layout offers comfortable seating for 4 passengers, with bolstered seats designed for long journeys and spirited drives alike. At the center of the dashboard is a high-resolution, curved OLED touchscreen, integrated seamlessly with the latest in-box infotainment system, providing intuitive control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Ambient lighting with customizable colors adds a personal touch, while advanced features like a Burmester 3D sound system and augmented reality displays elevate the experience further. On the road, the CLE impresses with its dynamic driving performance. The suspension system strikes a perfect balance between comfort and agility, ensuring a smooth ride and precise handling. Multiple drive modes allow drivers to tailor the experience, whether prioritizing efficiency, sportiness, or relaxed cruising. Engine options, including turbocharged 4 and 6-cylinder variants, deliver excellent acceleration and refined power delivery. Pricing for the CLE is competitive within the luxury coupe segment, with a starting price of approximately $60,000. Higher trims and AMG-tuned versions push the price upwards, offering additional performance and premium features. For more of this amazing content, hit subscribe and ring the bell icon so you never miss out.